today we are going to boil ice. So what is ice? This exists into three different phases: solid, liquid, or gas. Like liquid. Like when it melts, it turns into liquid. And when water freezes, this turns into solid. And when it evaporates, it turns into gas.
What experiment are you going to do?
We are going to boil ice. The materials you need are water, several ice cubes, and a stove. So here's the pot. So we're going to pour in some water.
4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh, yeah.
So you have to get supervised by an adult. You have to wait until this boils.
Fall asleep. I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends.
The water is boiling, so now we will put in the ice cubes very slowly.
1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you. Like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there.
The boiling has immediately stopped. So why is this? It's because the second law of thermodynamics. It also means slot. According to this law, the heat coming from the burner will always flow to the coldest object in the pot. In this case, the ice. So the heat from the burner stops making the hot water boil and starts making the solid water melt. Why don't you guys try this at home? You need an adult to supervise you, and remember, it's dangerous, so you better put on some gloves. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you with some more science experience videos. Bye!
4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends